another video here. We're playing X-Ray Points. Yeah, and that guy. One second. Oh yeah, I remember, guys. What we're going to do today is we're going to break it.
Bridge from engineering.
Where's the panic room?
We're directly in the path.
I can't help the bridge. Someone here has yanked out.
Wait, the panic room isn't here.
Don't get it.
Sir,
It's upstairs.
14 minutes until that mask gets in.
No way, sir. I cannot replace these chips in 14 minutes. 2 hours, 3, maybe.
Dave is something back fast.
Where is it?
What's that? What's that, Wesley?
Well, they're just simple linear chips, sir. Today, anyway.
You think it's over my yard?
Oh, sorry, guys. Mac, before we do eat, just check the window, see if it's there before we do eat. Guys, what we're gonna do is there's a panic room on this map, the financer, and at the moment
Our only hope.
the panic room is where this guy hides. But if we break into there, what happens? Is basically what we're doing. So, oh Jesus Christ! If you can hear something in the background, yeah, but if you can hear something in the background, it's me playing with cards. I have literally a pack of cards. If I actually would show you guys a magic trick, but no, because my uncle said I cannot show it to anybody. But I mean, I'd show you not how to do it, but I'd show you what it looks like to actually see it being done. Mark, it's not where it normally is. It's not where it normally is. So look around for it.
We made a 9 minutes at most. Can you finish by then? No. This will take some.
Where's the panic room?
Yes, sir.
Where is the found the panic room? Okay, let me just go get Ross.
No, I can't afford to get this.
Ross, run to your panic room. Hi! Mac, run! Upstairs now!
Beverly.
No! I'm outside!
As captain.
Don't reset! Don't reset! I'm outside. I'll stay out here, buddy.
Then, my dear Captain,
We can't close it.
you will address me as Chief Medical Officer or Doctor.
Come on! Get out of the building! Damn it.
That's true. I started out.
I was trying to glitch out the building.
Of course, naturally.
Well, we know where... But Mac, before you do it, just check it isn't in the normal spot, because if it's not in the normal spot, then we know where it is.
If that's something you.
Mac, just don't answer the radios, then just go in. Because then he'll go straight to his panic room, won't he? I wish we could close the door.
See how I reversed the fields on this, Commander? I made it into a repulsor beam.
We just had one.
No, he can't. He's the only one that can press it. So let's go. Let's see if it's in the normal space straight away. For God's sake, get in! It's downstairs.
If this were 100 times more powerful than it is,
Where is it? It's moved again.
why not try it with the real thing?
It actually has moved again.
Why not reverse fields on this, ma'am? If we just need an extra minute,
It would take weeks of laying out new circuits.
well, why not just see it in your head?
Reset. Just check where it is before we do it.
Split off at the force activator.
I'm sorry, guys, but it keeps on moving positions. I wish it could move positions, then I'm gonna kill him and rip him in half.
I made this.
Wait, what did I just say? What did I just say?
I hope, but it's still very close to the formula from the old Anakin's records.
In that case.
Then let's do it quickly.
But almost exactly.
So, guys, we're gonna try to do this as quick as possible because my buddy here has 4 minutes before he has to go.
My head's beginning to clear.
Oh no, I mean 20 minutes. 20 minutes. I mean, yeah. 20 minutes.
Engineering. I'll make up apples for the others.
Okay.
let's see if we can see us upstairs.
We only had a minute or so.
Find the power box, we'll have to go in. It's down here.
Yes, the reversing power leads back through the force activator. Repulsor beam hard against.
Mac! He can see me!
Don't you see? It's giving us a push up. The extra time we need.
I'm not. Don't open it. Don't open it, Mac. Don't open it. Why did you reset? Guys, here's the bad thing. It's in a tough position. It's in a tough position. If we can get the power box in a good position where we can get inside and not get caught or anything, that's when we are flipping ready, boy. So, Mac, what we need to do is,
Captain,
we need to...
something seemed to move us aside at the last minute.
10 minutes.
We want things to come
But, Mac,
Yes.
what we're going to do is get the power box in a really good position, then
The boy.
He said,
open it. For God's sake, get back down here.
It's only fair to mention Wesley in the law.
For God's sake, run! He saw me! He saw me! It's impossible!
Let's credit his science team.
Follow him! Matt, he's upstairs! He's going upstairs! I broke my can. Yes, guys, you can hear a can. So that means I'm not lying. There may have been a drink in that. I wasn't too sure. Guys, I think you can just a little tiny bit hear Mac in the background, but I'm not actually too sure.
just once. It never happened.
I could hear Mac dying in the background. Mac, I could just hear you in the background. You're just dying.
We avoid temptation.
You know, every time you fail that, you actually scare me.
So, number one.
Mac, come here. We need to find the safe room.
Prepare for warp 3.
Did you just shoot it?
Heading 294. Mark 37.
Warp 3 heading 294, Mark 37, sir.
Engage.
Here. It's here. It's down here. Get in it. In here. Come in.
Here's you been here.
I think I'm going on 3.
Kill him. We shot him at the same time. Mac, now we... Oh my God. Mac, look at this.
The latest.
There's a recliner.
No.
There's a glass table.
The clock!
Mac? That's rude. Put him in there. He's got some good clothes on.
Town has been a haven for immigrants.
We're staying in here for 20 minutes. Shoot.
Melissa Padilla's parents came from
Shoot.
She and
Shoot.
grew up here.
Shoot.
Yeah.
Shoot. Put your hands up.
She was over
Put your hands up.
helping me with them.
Put your hands up. Mac, put your hands up.
She was like a
Put your hands up right now.
depend on her.
Put your face up in the air. Put your face up.
Excellent spell.
I have a gun to your face with 6 bullets in it.
This is something I'd never been able to handle. She was over there when I needed some
Pew,
help.
pew, pew. Pew, pew, pew,
Melissa
pew, pew,
attended
pew,
high
pew.
school in Perth Amboy, but quit.
Can they not get in?
and
Can they seriously not get in?
She had 3 more
Fire the cannons!
succession, and in 1994 was unmarried and supporting herself and the children with a monthly welfare.
Wait, what?
She having
They can't get in!
so that would demand a high-paying job. So she would have
Shoot him.
4 million.
Look at his hands!
No way that she was making it.
He's dead!
Melissa
Fuck, he's
made
dead!
great buy for a while, but then she fell behind on her rent, and and lost her apartment.
Shoot his hand. Shoot his hand.
Melissa and
I think he's dead.
then moved into the Gem Motel, one of several cheap motels located along Route
Is that his head?
Main North-South Artery and Avenue.
Laugh. Did he hit me?
August 11th,
Mac, what's his body doing?
Melissa left the children with her boyfriend and walked to a nearby convenience store. For
Oh
some
my god,
groceries.
that's making me so nauseous.
She went out.
Hey, you got a weapon for
At
us?
night, because her kids were hungry.
I'm shooting them through. Mac, I'm shooting. No, don't. Mac, don't. I'm shooting them through the door.
Around 11:30 and headed back to the motel, but she never.
You can shoot them through the door.
Her boyfriend told police.
I'm killing so many of them.
Found her half-naked body later that night along the highway. Melissa's mother
Don't you dare open this
shortly
damn door.
after the body was discovered.
You're not supposed to say.
Mac, hide! 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 They're coming!
Are you gonna die?
Can they seriously not open the door? Can they? No, can they actually not open the door?
It's hard.
No, I'm being serious right now.
Supposed to
Guys,
go.
they can't open the door! And Mac, guess what?
Most
We only have
murderers go to great lengths to
4 more
avoid
minutes left before the
detection.
video ends.
Melissa's killer didn't seem to care, committing
Mac,
his crime.
3, 2, 1. Okay, we're opening the door. Okay, quick, kill everybody.
It was this brazenness
Okay,
that
see ya,
would eventually
boy.
be his downfall.
See ya, guys. See you in the next one.